This is Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today we are going to see the lecture series in the topic Closure Properties of Regular Language in Theory of Computation. Before enter into the closure property, first let us see the regular language means what. The regular language is accepted by finite automata. Finite automata is one of the important automata. It's none other than machine in which in order to solve some technical problems we are going to use one of the important theory. It's none other than theory of finite automata under theory of computation. It's going to deals with theory, set of ideas as well as set of calculations in order to solve some technical problems. So that's what we used to say theory of computation. So there we are going to embed the regular language with the help of some tuples. So in that we have some set of properties. So important operations of regular language also comes under closure property. Closure, the word closure is nothing but an operation which is going to perform on regular language. Then the new resulting language will be the same type as original language. If closure operations are performed on some regular language, then the result will also be regular language. So we have some set of closure properties such as clean closure and then union, intersection, complement, and then set difference operator, reverse operator. So likewise we have some set of important properties of regular language. So clean closure, the word clean closure is one of the important property under regular language. Let us consider the regular expression as R and then language considered as L. So now we are going to apply the clean closure. Clean is also called as an star closure on regular expression and language. So R to the power star is a regular expression whose language will become L star. So, for example, if a to the power star means we will get the result by applying the clean closure a cube, a square. Likewise, we are going to get the output by applying clean closure. Then let us see positive closure means what? It is also one kind of closure property. Or is a regular expression and consider language is or, and then or to the power plus is a regular expression whose language is L plus. So suppose or is equal to A, then language will be L is equal to, within curly bracket we have to apply the A. So then the result will be the a to the power plus. Only we will get the positive result. That's what we used to say positive closure. So finally the positive closure is satisfied. Next, complement. The complement is also one kind of closure property in a regular language. The complement of the language L is sigma star or minus L, where sigma holds the input symbol used for generating the language. So the complement of the regular language is always regular. Next important property is union. Let's consider L1 and L2 as a language for regular expression R1 and R2. So in union computer term we are going to concatenate, we are going to join together two languages. So then R1 plus R2 is also regular expression whose language is L3 is equal to R1 union R2. So here L3 also belongs to regular language. Next, concatenation. Concatenation means let's consider L1 and L2 or the language of regular expression R1 and R2 respectively. Then R1 or here we are going to specify the concatenation with the help of dot symbol. So R1 into R2 is also a regular expression whose language is L3 is equal to R1 dot R2. So L3 now belongs to regular language. Next, intersection. Let's L1 and L2 be the language of regular expression R1 and R2 respectively. Then the regular expression whose language is L1 intersection L2. So we are going to intersection is none other than we are going to fetch over the common values between the L1 and L2. Next, set difference operator. So let's consider L1 and L2 be the language of regular expression R1 and R2. Then regular expression whose language is L1 minus L2. So string in L1 but not in L2. So that's what we used to call difference operator. And then reverse operator, the word itself clearly knows that we are going to reverse the order. So given language L to the power or is a set of string whose reversal is in L. Example, L is equal to, within curly bracket, we are going to consider the three values, three set of data. So that we are going to, each and every value is going to reverse. So we are going to get the result as, for example, L is equal to 0, 0, 100. We are going to receive the output as 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So this is also still a regular language. So finally, the closure properties helps to uh, helps to satisfy whether the regular language or not. So for that, closure properties helps a lot. Many closure properties are there, but we will see such a important closure properties. So under closure properties, the operations, three operations of regular language is very important. That is also considered as a closure property. That is none other than, one is union and another one is intersection, and then clean closure. These are the operations of regular language, comes under closure property too. So we successfully learned the closure properties of regular language. If you have any queries, please contact me, Gurus. Thank you for your patient listening.